Today we're talking about transferring footage from your camera over to your smartphone. I've got two ways of transferring photo and video that I've been using over the last few years, and it might help some people out if I show you. Let's dive in. I'm Bradley and welcome back to Brad G Media, where we talk cameras, tech, travel, and everything in between. In this day and age of powerful smartphones, it's becoming easier to edit photo and video every single day. For some people, it may be their only option. While computers and laptops are the king of performance, phones are perfect for on-the-go situations, especially when you just want to get a quick social media post. You got a dope shot on your camera, you don't know how to get it to your phone, let's dive in and I'll talk about those two methods. The first way is through your camera manufacturer's mobile app. Most camera companies, if not all of them, have a mobile app. Just do an App Store search or a Google search real quick and see what comes up. But Canon, Sony, all the way down to my Insta360 Go2 and other action cameras like the GoPro have apps that you can use to not just download footage directly off of the camera onto your phone, but you can use them to totally control these cameras. But that's for another video. Let's take a look at how I use my Canon M50 to move footage wirelessly using the camera manufacturer's app. All right, so to start this out, we have our Wi-Fi open on the phone. We're gonna press the connect button on the M50. We're gonna touch iPhone, and it's gonna say searching for access point. We're actually gonna click on switch network. You can use your home Wi-Fi, but we're actually gonna turn the camera itself into a Wi-Fi access point so we can connect to it if we don't have service. The camera itself actually come up, click on the Wi-Fi name, and when it connects up here, move over to your Canon Connect app, and then it should just easily make an established connection. From here, you can then click and see your images and everything that's available on camera. You can then take one of these individual clips, or more than one, and actually import them. And it'll start the whole process and do a transfer. It is slower than the next step I'm about to mention, but it's really useful when you don't have anything else. So this second option costs a little money, but I thoroughly recommend it over the wireless transfer because it's a lot faster and much more reliable. When you're using the wireless transfer, you can get interruptions from other signals and things like that, or if your camera battery dies, you have to start it back up and start the transfer over. Using something like a Lightning to SD card adapter or a USB Type-C to SD card adapter will allow you to manually transfer the footage. You can take your SD card out, put it in the adapter, plug it in your phone, and move the photos directly into your camera library. You can open them up in the file explorer within your phone and choose selectively what gets moved over. That way you have full control and there's not lag in between transfers. It's a lot quicker and saves you time. So out of the two, which one would I rather use? The SD card adapter. It's way quicker, a lot more reliable, and I have so much more control. But I don't always have this with me, but I might have camera gear, and if I have something like my Insta360 Go2, which only has internal storage, then I have to transfer the footage wirelessly through my phone. With all of this being said, editing footage on your phone is fantastic, especially if it's all you have. But if you have the means to use a laptop or another system, make sure this isn't all you're using and you challenge yourself. It's also not a replacement for backing up footage. You need to make sure you have hard drives and backups of everything so you don't lose your footage or something happens. If you lose your cell phone and that's the only place your footage is, then you're gonna lose all of it. With that being said, I am Brad G Media signing out. I hope you all got some value out of this today. Hit me with a subscribe if you did, and I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.